Damn it! Ugh.
You are a pervert. You are a pervert. Don't deny. That's right.
Hi, I'm Steven. This is my bike check. I got a blood splatter V6 cutter. It's pretty cool. Doesn't have a cutout. I got a gay ass Thrasher fork. It's the worst fork ever made. I got a.
But it got bar spin though.
No bar spins.
Oh.
Sorry, it's a cutter.
Oh.
I got a front 48 hole H plus on Euro with a Forte Metro tire. It's cool.
Deep dish.
I got Cane Creek headset. I don't know. Integrated. Redline stem. Redline Urbis bars, raw. With the black ODI grips. I got bar ends.
Deep dish.
I got yeah. Got a Redline pivotal seat. And a seat post. It's pivotal. I got 1/8 inch cranks. 165 with the resist sprocket. Don't buy it.
How did you buy it?
It was cheap.
This is good.
It's okay though. Yeah, it's don't buy it. You got Odyssey twisted pedals with some blue and pink bubblegum hold fast straps. The KMC chain. Ew, KMC chain. Got a back 29er MTX 33 with the 35 Metro.
Does it have bar spin clearance?
No, it's a cutter.
Oh.
And yeah, as you can see, it doesn't bar spin.
GT.
It's okay though, because yeah.
Better than.
Hey Dad, are you at home?